Spreadsheets are fine until your bug bounty work starts moving faster than your columns. One row says submitted, another says triaged, a note mentions the endpoint, and the actual payout is buried somewhere else. BountyDesk replaces that scattered setup with a tracker designed around real vulnerability submissions. Programs hold scope and bounty range. Submissions hold the finding, severity, status, date, bounty amount, and notes, and the dashboard rolls everything into a readable picture. You can see which vulnerabilities pay, which programs are worth more attention, and which reports still need follow-up. In the demo, notice how the dashboard, submissions list, program cards, and report builder stay connected instead of feeling like separate tools. That is the real advantage. Target context, report status, bounty value, and the write-up all stay close enough that you can return tomorrow and immediately know what needs attention. The report builder keeps the submission format structured, so proof, impact, steps, and remediation are ready before you copy or download Markdown. For hunters who want less bookkeeping and more actual hacking time, BountyDesk is the cleaner desk.